Good. My virtual box is starting. Don't press any key in here,
Sir,
otherwise again it will be.
sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, this recording share in the same channel, YouTube channel, or
Same drive. Yeah, yeah, same channel. You can see all the recordings will be available.
okay, okay.
Okay. Which one is very important? I record it and I will upload it in there. Today's recording also I will upload it. Okay. So I can see press Control Alt or Delete. So where is that one? We can see input, we can see keyboard, we can see insert Control Alt or Delete. This is the common thing for our server. When you want to turn on, we need to use this command, this option. Otherwise, we cannot write down our password in here. And before doing DNS, ADDS, you can see that one is only showing the administrator. But when we will install ADDS and DNS, then you can see that one will be changed. Before ADDS and DNS, what is that things? The computer is turned on. Let's discuss what is this. At least we need to know why we need that things. I don't go Google. You can read from the book or you can read from online. ADDS and I write down DNS. The full meaning of ADDS is Active Directory Domain Services. That one is basically used for domain controller. Domain means, think about, let's use this one. Think about, you have 5 computers, okay, and one server. Though this is not a computer, just assume that this is a computer, okay, and all the computers are connected with the server. Why we need to connect with the server? Because today I am going to make my all computer under my domain. Domain means under me. That's it. Okay. So this is a DNS server. For this reason, we are called this is a DNS server. DNS means domain name system, domain name server, domain name services, lots of things. This is the server. DNS domain. Domain means this one under myself, this one under myself. Why you need to under yourself all the computers? Then you can control your client. Like as think about in our daily life, this is your parents. If that one is a parents and these are the child, then parent can control your child. So that means this is the head, they can control your childs in our daily life. Same as in computer, DNS server, domain name server, they can control all the computers. So control means, think about this is one user number one. That user can only print something. I'm going to give permission only printing, nothing else. This is the user number two. That user can only browse. This is your user number three. This user can print and internet browse. This is number user four. That user can configure something. This is user number five. This user cannot do anything. No internet browsing, no printing, no configure, nothing. Just think about this computer work like as our local computer, our personal computer. Everyone come in here. When they need to write down anything, they write down and save it, copy it from your flash drive or save into the flash drive, move from there. So that means using DNS, you can control 5 computers. In my network, only 5, so I can control. If I have more, I can control more. But this is the purpose for the DNS. So without DNS, everything is good. Think about everything is without DNS, no DNS right now. So what will happen? Everything connected with everyone. So 6 computers in here total. Think about 6 computer means this computer is boss in his computer. This one also be, this one also be, this one also be, this one also be. So you don't have any control to any computer. So as a result, everyone is boss. everyone wants to do whatever they want. So that's not a good idea. When you are an organization, when you want to make all the thing under your domain, so you need to do like that way. Otherwise, you cannot control. We need to control it. Control means like most of the cases when you are working in the organization, you cannot install anything in the computer. Installation permitted because that one is controlled by the admin. Admin means DNS server. Same thing, we'll do all the things. So controlling is very important. Without control, everyone will be do everything. So as a result, your organization will be not working perfectly. So let's do that things. Everything is written in here. Lots of information written in the ADDS DS and regarding all the things. When you have time, please study that things. So I turned my computer and I can see my computer is now, this is the local server manager is showing in here. I said I want to install ADDS. So for the ADDS, click into the tools, for the installing anything in our server, we need to do one thing. That one is click into the manage. When you click manage, you can see two things. First two option, add roles and feature. So we want to set some roles. Roles means in here, rule and regulation. Remove means you install it, you don't need. Remove it, delete it. Add server means I need another server and a set in here. We'll try to do that one in next course, MD101. Create server group. If you have more than one server, you can make a group. Server manager properties, there all the properties will be showing in here. When we install ADDS, then you can see that function will be coming to the under the tools. Which one is available in your server? All the things list will be showing in here, all the list. This is the view option. You can change the shape of your view size. And this is the help option. If you need any help from anywhere, you can select that one and they will give you feedback. Nowadays, everything in online. So if you click into anywhere, then it will be directly connected with online and that one will be showing your informations, which one you need. So let's move into the manage. I want to install one features. Click into the add roles and feature. Then this page will become. This page means here will be all the instruction what you want to do. This wizard helps you install roles, role services or feature. You determine which roles and services you want to install it. I need to use the administrator account and strong password. Our network tools IP address we need most currently secure update Windows update installed. So this page, when you want to install anything, always become this page. This is the common definition always becoming. So I don't need that page again and again. So I click into the skip this page by default. So when I need to install anything, I don't need this page, automatically come into the next page. And in the top right corner, you can see destination server DC1. Destination server means currently I am using only one server and that is destination server DC1. Now click into the next. So we want to install some feature in my computer. So for this reason, it's called role-based or feature. Which one you want to install? Remote desktop service or in your computer? I want to do in our computer. Now next, then you can see this is the only one server is available in my computer and this is the IP address and I am using Windows Server 2022 by default. That one select because I am using that only one server. I don't have more than one. If more than one, then you can select it and you can install it. Next. So what we want to install? There are lots of roles and features are available in here. We need to basically choose in here Active Directory Domain Service, the second one. Everything is okay. I click in there, then this window will become. Then we need to click into all the features I need. Everything I need. Everything is written in here. You can say roles, Active Directory Domain Service, After then add features, next. When you can see this window, add new forest, root domain, password will be this one. Okay, we are using, this is our domain name. This is for Microsoft. Microsoft provide, they said, please use this domain name. It's not mandatory thing. We need to use that atom.com. You can use anything, which one you prefer. But most of the time, when we are doing work together, at least follow me. Later, you can change your domain name. You can add more things. Which one you prefer, you can choose. It's your choice. Now I want to install this one. By default, the DNS will be installed automatically after a few minutes. So now select Active Directory Domain Service, then another window will become. Select add features. After then you will come back in here and it will be selected. And one more thing, which one is installed in your computer, that one will be showing beside the role's name, installed. You can see in here one thing showing 1 of 12 installed. Click in the left arrow. You can see storage services installed. If you move this window, you can see file and storage service, that one is already installed. That means when we install our server, by default, this service installed. But in here, lots of things are also be available. You can see day by day we will do. Okay. So I select Active Directory and Domain. Now click into next. I don't need to choose anything in here. By default, it will be installed. Next. There will be one option, restart the destination. Like when I install it, if the computer need restart, it will be automatically restart. So that feature select, or that one select, is the best practice. But if you wanna think, no, I don't need to select that one, you can unselect that one. But I always select that one. If my computer need the restart, computer will be restart automatically. Now click into the yes. So when you finish your next command, then you can see install option will be showing. Install means now I am to install that service in my computer. Click into install. Now it will be take a few minutes. Based on your computer speed, it will be work. So wait a couple of minutes in here. And please let me know if you have any question. And you can see always be changing in here something. Installation is started on DC1. DC1 is your computer name. So now start installation. So please wait in here. If you are doing that one, very good. I hope you are doing.
Teacher, I have one question.
Sir.
Yeah, did you say what you need to consider before doing the installation, like storage, memory for the server?
Best practice, at least you need 2 GB RAM. And when you want to install in the hard disk space, at least 50 GB will be the best. And processor, obviously, we need to use the Intel Core, and that one is i5 or i7. That's enough for our any types of operating system installation.
Okay, thank you.
No worries, man. Okay, so you can see my installation is done. They give me message, configuration required, installation succeeded on DC1. That means this last portion is done. So they give me one message, configuration we need to do. So when we are installing anything, especially in the server or anywhere in Linux environment, in Windows environment, first we need to install. Install is one part. Second part is when finish your installation, we need to configure it. So in here, they give me one message, please configure it. Now, how to configure? Wait a couple of seconds. So I don't need to do anything in here because they give me one message option or one button to close it. Close means close this box. Done. So I need to configure. You can see there is one option, triangle sign. If you go to the slide, you can see there is one triangle sign will become when your installation is done. So now click in this triangle. After then you can see this one is done before that, so we don't need to think that one. You can see in here one thing is written, post deployment configuration. Configuration required for Active Directory domain services at DC1. Promote this server to a domain controller. So that means we need to click in there. Promote this server to a domain controller. When you click in there, another window will become. This is the actually configuration mode. In here, select the deployment operation. What I want to do? First option, automatically select add a domain controller to an existing domain. I don't have any domain, so I cannot select that one. Now come back into the next one. Add a new domain to an existing forest. I don't have any forest. Domain, first two option is not available in my computer. So only one thing is available, add a new forest. What is the new forest? Forest means when we are making our domain, the head, the top level domain is called in here forest. Which one is our head? Think about our brain is our top level things. Every instruction is coming from the brain. Whatever that one in your body, everything is coming from the brain. So same thing in our domain, forest is the highest level of that one. Under the forest, everything will be available. So what I want to do, write down the domain name. You can see root domain name. In the instruction, they said, please use this one in the instruction. But if you want to change, you can change it. But right now, please use that one. When at the tomb.com, when you export or you want to install another operating system, another server, you can do. In that time, you can choose another type of domain name. Now, question is why add a tomb after then .com? Why not net, not info, not any other things? This is your choice. You can choose anything. Petrus, do you want to say something? Okay. So
No, sir, thank
.com
you.
and how you can write. It's okay, sir. It's okay. So write down that one. Okay, write down your domain name, any name. .com, adatom.com means like google.com, like yahoo.ca, google.ca, citycollege.ca, citycollege.com, like that.
Sir, we
things.
can.
So this is our actually.
Sir, we can.
Yes.
We can give the name without com. Like admin only.
Yeah, you can do. Yeah, you can do, but that's not a good idea because this is our server, and that server we want to make website. That website will be showing the online. So if you write on only adatom, there is no website without any top level domain .com, .info, .ca, other than. So you cannot see any website like it. Let's move in the website. There is no website, only Google, like that one. So at least you need some top level domain. So this is the top level domain. Dot anything is the top level domain. Okay, we need to use. But you can do. This is your local server. This is your computer. You can do whatever you want. Nobody will ask you why you are doing this one. You can write anything. Okay, but most of the cases we write down with our top level domain. Okay. Now click into the next. If my installation installed perfectly previously in my computer, that means my ADDS, my operating system is good, then I will see another page will become, and only I can see Adatum will be showing. That one is the NetBIOS purposes, online purposes. Wait a couple of more seconds. In next year, that means coming to 2025, there is new operating system is coming, Windows Server 2025. Okay. You can see this is the second page is coming in here. Select functional level of the new forest and root domain. Forest functional level 2016. We are using 2022, but you can see 2016 is in here. Actually 22 and whatever the newest version, that one is still not available. For the configuration mode in the backend, they are using like this few versions still now. When that one will be updated, you can see maybe next year or maybe after the next year, the list will be 22 will be showing in here. After then 25 is coming, maybe that one will be not showing in future. Again, after more than 2 years or 3 years, you can see that 25 will be showing in here. It's actually Windows purpose. They make their website like that way. So for this, no, we cannot do anything in here. Which one you can see? Very good. No need to touch anywhere. Type the directory service restore mode DSRM password. So this is the most important things. When you want to log in your computer, what will be your password? Most of the cases, computer password and domain password, we are write down same thing, but it's your choice. Everything your choice. You can change it. I don't want to change because it's very difficult to remember all the password. So best practice, use at least same password. Then it will be easy. Take it easy. Everything take it easy. So otherwise, don't make complex. If you make it complex, then you need to remember everything. I write down same password, which one I used in my computer. Same password write down in here. Click into the next. When you click into next, they will give you message, a delegation for this DNS server cannot be created because the authoritative parent zone cannot be found. They give me one message. Okay, it's okay. They give me message. Very good. I don't need anything. Next. So wait in here. If you can see your Adatum in here, that means your previous all the thing is perfectly installed or all the thing configuration is good. So wait a couple of more minutes in here and let me check what will happen. I can say Adatum. If you can say Adatum, that one is the NetBIOS domain. NetBIOS domain means this is your actual server name. Okay. I can see that my server name in here. Server name means domain name. Next. Wait a couple of seconds in here. This is the path where your files will be saved. All the database folder will be saved in the NTDS folder. Log files will be saved in there. Sysvol folder will be, system volume will be in the sysvol. We don't need to change anything. Press next. This is the all configuration will be showing in here. What did you do in few minutes ago? If you wanna view the script, you can check it. If you wanna save all the things, you can save it. Normally, when we are the new user, we save all the things. But when you are expert, we don't need this one. We can easily move in the C drive and that folder, and we can configure. Or if we need anything, we can change it. Next, and they will show me lots of messages. Wait couple of more minutes in here. So guys, please wait couple of more minutes. So now you can see all prerequisite checks passed successfully. Click install to begin installation. So that means prerequisite is everything is good to go. Now let's install it. Click into the install. So please wait a couple of more minutes. We don't have any choice. Wait in here. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, when installation will finish, you can see that one is restart my computer. So now we can see one interesting thing after a few minutes. That one is we can see our domain name will be showing. So please wait a couple of more minutes, then we can see that things. Don't press any key. Wait a couple of more seconds, please. So please wait a couple of more minutes, guys. Okay, now it's finished. Let's check it. What can we see? So they said press Ctrl Alt Delete to unlock. So click into the input, click into the keyboard, click into the Ctrl Alt Delete. Now you can see another thing is coming. Add to /administrator. That means now my computer is domain computer, domain controller. I can control any computer. And one more thing, in the left side, there will be two options. First option is domain. Second option is if you want to use your personal computer, personal user, then you can do that one. So I don't need that one. I want to log in my adatum.com. That means in my domain. So let's write down the password. This is my password. I always try to write down this one. You can write anything, whatever you choose. Let's log in. My server is still running. It's not finished. You can see there is one thing is going on. When it's going on means it's still working, and you can see more thing will be showing in your DDS, DNS, and in here. So wait a couple of more minutes. It's done. We can see ADDS, DNS is showing in here. We can see ADDS, DNS is showing in here. And you can see both are green color. Green means go. Go means they are active. And that one is up arrow. Up arrow means this is up. Up means server is now running good. So DNS, we set it. What is that one? Click into the local server. You can see now our computer is under domain. Domain, this is the domain, and this is the domain name. So that means I installed domain in my server. So, and that one is working. This is the proof. I did it. And if you want to check ADDS, I click in there. Lots of features is installed in my computer. That's the computer purpose. That one is the server purpose. All the things are installed. And we'll check ADDS. Wait. And this is the DNS. And when this DNS is installed, then you can see this one is this one. IP address is this is the IP address. This is the online last update. When it's update, the time will be showing in here, and the activation key will be showing this one. So DNS is good. Now let me check one thing. Go to the local server. Ethernet, you can see Ethernet. IP address is showing this one. IP address is good. Let's click in there again. I want to check one thing. Double click in here. Go to the properties. Go to the IP version 4. Now you can see this one is IP address for your computer. But if you remember, we set in here preferred DNS server is same IP address, but it's changed. Why it's changed? Now my computer work like as a local host, but no, I want to give this IP address. That means I want to use same IP address in my DNS server. Everyone can connect with my computer. So let's change it. It will be automatically changed when you install your DNS. So first think when you install DNS, after then you need to update this IP address. Otherwise, your server is not working like as a domain server. Okay, close it. Done for that. You cannot see that one in showing in here. If you want to write down ipconfig in the command prompt, and you can see that one is working. I said when we install ADDS, DNS, whatever that one, everything will be comes into the tools. Let's click into the tools, and you can see there will be these 5 things is coming in here. Few minutes ago, we cannot see this all the things. And one more thing, DNS is showing in here. Everything we need, day by day, we'll update everything. So let's go to the instruction and check it. Anything in there? Okay, they write down the password. This one, if you want, you can use this password. If you want, you can use another password. It's your choice. Okay, that one is good. They said under domain tab, there is a firewall option. We need to turn off. So if you turn off the firewall, that will be best for your computer. Computer means anyone wants to log in a computer, then we can use the stop the firewall. Without that one, we can control. Now we don't want to change the firewall settings in here. I'll show you another method when we wanna install any client computer under my computer. I'll show you later, not today. So let's ADDS, Active Directory Domain Services. These 5 things are created. So now we can click into the Active Directory, users and computers, where every users and computer name will be showing in there. So this is the adatum.com. You can see we already installed that part. Let me maximize. We already installed this domain. You can see under beside there adatum.com, that one is written domain. We did not write down any other domain, but it's work as a domain. Now click into the left arrow, then you can see lots of things: built-ins, computers, domain controllers, foreign security principal, managed service account, and users. Mostly we are working on the users. Click in the users. Then you can see by default, lots of users are created. Okay, lots of users are created in here. And this is the type of my user. There will be some group also. When you can see any single man, single one, that one is the admin, that one is the user. When you can see multiple, that means that one is the group. And you can see that one is the single. When you will create some user, that one will be saved in here. We'll do that one later, not today. Just watch all the things. Manage service account, there is nothing, but if you wanna use any user, any member, any group, then you can set it. Maybe day by day we'll do. Domain controller, we have only one computer. This is our main domain controller. You can see default. Default first site name. This is the first one, DC. This one is our main server for our work. That one is working. And computer, no computer is added with me. No computer added with me means my computer is available, but any other computer is not connected. Click into the built-in. Then built-in means by default, when you install your ADDS service, your computer installed, when you finish your installation part, by default, all the things will be created by the system. So we don't need to do anything in here. We can create more user, more thing on our requirement. We'll do every day, day by day, we'll create more things. So now you can see our main part in here. Maybe tomorrow or maybe any other day, we'll create some users in here. We'll create some groups. We'll create some organizational unit. What is that one? When we are doing, I will discuss more thing about that particular things. So now we did a very complex thing. Is there anyone did it or anyone wants to do any concern regarding that one?
Looks good, teacher.
Thank you, Matthew. Anyone? Okay.
Thank you,
So
sir.
now you did it. Okay. So when you finish, at least my request. Okay, give me 1 second. I will share my screen again. My request, at least read something from the book, because I share one book. That book is very costly book. Somehow I share with all of you, but please study that book. Lots of book will be available in the online. Lots of things are available. But if you learn, that one will be helpful for you. So please wait in here. I wanna share one thing. Configuration user data. Okay, I want to share my screen. So in last class, we create some users, and if you wanna delete, delete it is very easy. We already delete it. So please read from in here. Managing users group. Read from in here. There is some portion we already did. Group also, but please read it. We did not do the GPO. We'll do GPO in our server. And please try to study from in here. That's the best one, managing data. Tomorrow we will do that few portion. So, okay, we already used the folder exploration. We said something, but you can read from in here, chapter 3. So tomorrow we'll do something from the chapter 3. So now your time is install all the things, Windows 10, Windows Server, after then configure all the things. Finally, come into the book and read all the things. Everything will be available in online. I'm not saying please use the online. Please use this book. This book enough for your MD 100 and 101. This is the best source. Or if you want to think, you use the test out. There will be a test out option. I will share with you, hopefully tomorrow. From the test out, you can also study. There is also be lots of resource in the test out, and in the test out there is one more thing, you can practice more lab. We'll try to use the test out also. We will practice some lab in the test out, some lab in our computer. But best practice, we can use our computer, so please use your computer. Okay. So now I want to give you homework. Please study from chapter 3, from in here until it's infinitive. Where you want to stop, you can stop, but please start from in here. Okay, this is the page number, chapter 3. You can start from the page 198, page number 198. So you can start from the 198. Please read, please study, please make a note. All the things will be important. Any question?
Where's the book? I'm trying to check. Is it on the other website or you sharing it here?
The book is guys, give me 1 minute. I want to share you. Okay, give me 1 minute.
Okay, thank you.
No worries. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'll share the book.
No worries.
I need to find out the books. That one is on in my Google Drive. So give me 1 second. I will give you access because book size is very big size. It's 29 megabyte. So I'm gonna share you. That one is in the Google Drive. Mm, Matthew, can you click into that link? This is the link for the book. Click in there and I'll give you access because the book is available under this Google Drive. So click into the book. After that, let me know. I'll give you access. Yeah, Matthew, I got your request. Give me 1 second. Can you check it, please? Is it available?
Let me check.
Yeah. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Just let me know you can see.
I got it. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So those who did not download the book, please click into that link. This is the book Power Hour MD 100 and MD 101. These two courses. So please use this book. This is a very good book, but you can use anything, any resource. It's your choice. So click in there, then I will get one notification. If I get any notification, I will send you, I will receive it, and I will give you the permission. Let me check anyone send me. Give me 1 second, guys. Um, okay, so nobody need this book. Maybe everyone download that book. Okay, now, so now you have to start from the chapter 3, read from in here until best practice. I use all the things from in here, all over the chapter 3. So tomorrow we'll use more things from in here. Most of the thing we'll do. I make another lab and I will share that one tomorrow. And again, we'll do all the things. And when you finish, I will upload this recording as well. And please check the recording if you need anything. Though everything is available in the online.
Sir,
Sir.
this recording in the CompTIA channel or another separated channel?
Another one.
I don't
Give
have.
me 1 second. Oh man. Okay, give me 1 second. I need to find out. Okay, I'll share it again. Wait a second. Recording. Then is Firdaus, I shared the channel. You can see that one, recording one. To
Thank
this
you, sir.
recording,
Thank you.
I will upload it. There is